Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the Outlook desktop app because that is the reliable path for voting buttons. First, compose a new message and go straight to Options. Select Use Voting Buttons. Pick a preset set or type custom labels separated by semicolons. This creates the interactive choices recipients will see. Once done, add recipients and a clear subject so votes are tracked. Make sure to include brief instructions in the message body so recipients know to answer using the buttons, not by replying. After you send the message, Outlook will collect responses only when recipients use the voting buttons, so remind them to click the buttons, not reply manually. To monitor results, open the original sent message and go to Message then Tracking. Outlook aggregates button responses and shows who selected each option. If some responses are missing, make sure recipients are using Outlook clients and that your mailbox has finished syncing. Sometimes delayed sync hides votes briefly. Keep checking until all expected responses appear. To finalize, open tracking and copy or export the table into Excel for clear reporting. This preserves vote counts and respondent names. If someone's vote is absent, ask them to use the voting buttons, and if needed, resend the original message to that person only. For persistent or organization-wide failures, check Exchange or Office 365 settings and mailbox permissions, because server or policy restrictions often block voting functionality. One quick troubleshooting tip: if tracking shows no data, confirm mailbox sync and ask recipients to use desktop Outlook.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.